Looking for an action camera that won't drain your wallet but still delivers epic footage? Whether you're vlogging, surfing, hiking, or just capturing everyday adventures, you don't have to spend a fortune to get pro-level shots. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 budget action cameras, the ones that actually live up to the hype without breaking the bank. And trust me, some of these picks are going to seriously surprise you. Stick around because if you're planning your next big trip or just want to upgrade your gear, you're going to want to see what made the list. Starting off at number 5, we have the Akaso Brave 7 LE. And let me just say, if you're into vlogging, adventure videos, or even just capturing your day-to-day life, this little guy is a total game changer. It's waterproof right out of the box up to 33 feet, so you don't even have to stress about buying a separate case if you're heading to the pool, beach, or even going paddleboarding or kayaking. Plus, it's got a front-facing screen that's absolutely perfect for framing your shots and making sure you're always in focus, which, trust me, saves a ton of frustration when you're filming solo and trying to nail that perfect angle. It delivers beautiful 4K video at 30 frames per second, and the built-in electronic image stabilization makes your footage look super smooth, even if you're walking, biking, or even sprinting after your dog at the park. It also comes packed with a bunch of really useful mounting accessories, like handlebar mounts, helmet clips, and waterproof cases, which adds serious value right out of the box without spending extra money. Battery life is pretty solid, giving you plenty of time to capture a full day of adventures without constantly worrying about charging. Right now, the Brave 7 LE is priced around $140, making it an awesome entry point for new vloggers, travelers, content creators, or anyone who wants professional-looking footage without dropping a fortune. It's lightweight, super intuitive to use, has built-in Wi-Fi for fast sharing to your phone, and honestly punches way above its price tag for the quality you're getting. Plus, the menus are really beginner-friendly, so even if you're brand new to cameras, you'll be shooting like a pro in no time. If you're just getting into content creation, documenting your travels, or even capturing family memories, this is a no-stress, high-reward option that's going to make your videos look amazing, right from the jump. Coming in hot at number 4 is the Apexcam 4K action camera, and if you're all about getting the most bang for your buck, this one's definitely calling your name. It shoots true 4K video, not that upscaled stuff some cheaper cameras try to pass off, so your footage looks sharp, detailed, and super professional. And get this, it comes with a massive bundle of accessories, a waterproof case, tons of mounts, a remote control, a protective carrying bag, and even 2 batteries right in the box, so you're ready for any adventure the minute you open it. You're literally saving tons of money by not needing to buy all those extras separately. All of that for just around $90. Seriously, it's almost unbelievable at that price. The video quality is honestly impressive, especially in bright outdoor settings like the beach, parks, hiking trails, or road trips. Colors pop, details stay crisp, and the wide-angle lens captures so much more of the scene, giving your videos that cinematic vibe. It's also got built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which means you can transfer clips straight to your phone or tablet without the hassle of cables. Perfect for instant uploads to Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts if you're trying to grow your channel. Plus, there's a free companion app that lets you remotely control the camera, adjust settings, and preview footage live. Talk about convenience. Now, it's not the greatest in low light. Nighttime shots can get a bit grainy, but honestly, for under $100, it's a total steal and a half. You're getting way more than you pay for with the Apexcam 4K. Plus, the waterproof case is rugged and trustworthy, making it perfect for snorkeling, rainy hikes, beach days, or any situation where you don't want to worry about splashes. Battery life is decent too, and with the 2 included batteries, you can keep filming all day without stress. Whether you're capturing everyday adventures, epic vacations, action sports, or even creating content for your social channels, this camera is an amazing hidden gem for budget-conscious adventurers. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we've got the DJI Osmo Action 3, and man, this thing is an absolute beast when it comes to action sports. We're talking epic 4K video at 120 frames per second, perfect for those buttery smooth slow-motion shots that make everything look way cooler than it felt in the moment. It's designed tough right out of the box, waterproof up to 52 feet deep without needing a case, so you can take it diving, surfing, snowboarding, basically any wild adventure you can think of. The rugged build quality is seriously impressive, with an impact-resistant body that can take a serious beating if you're rough on your gear. Plus, the hydrophobic lens coating repels water quickly, keeping your shots clean and clear even when you're underwater or caught in the rain. DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization tech is absolutely next level, keeping your shots smooth even when you're bouncing down a rocky trail or shredding waves. And it doesn't stop there. You've also got Horizon Steady, which keeps your footage perfectly level even if you're flipping or twisting mid-air. It's a bit pricier than the others on this list, sitting around $270, but honestly, you're paying for pro-grade performance, and it absolutely delivers. The battery life is strong too, easily around 2.5 hours of solid use, and with the new fast charging option, you can hit 80% battery in under 20 minutes, which is a total game changer for long days of filming. The camera also supports vertical shooting, which is perfect for creating Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. No need to rotate or crop your footage later. Plus, the touchscreen is super responsive, even when wet, and the voice control is super handy when your hands are full or gloved up. If you're serious about capturing every wild, adrenaline-packed moment without shaky footage ruining your epic shots, the Osmo Action 3 is hands down a top pick. It's built to survive the roughest conditions and still deliver gorgeous cinematic footage that looks like it belongs in a blockbuster movie. Whether you're cliff diving, mountain biking, or just capturing insane moments with friends, this camera won't let you down. At number 2, we have the GoPro Hero, and let me tell you, GoPro knows exactly what they're doing when it comes to compact action cams. This little powerhouse is basically the ultimate travel buddy. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but tough enough to survive whatever you throw at it, from rugged hikes to messy mud runs and everything in between. It shoots absolutely gorgeous 5K video, which means every little detail pops whether you're filming epic landscapes, bustling city streets, or tight fun shots of your friends laughing and goofing around. The clarity and sharpness are unreal at this price point. Plus, it's loaded with features like hyper-smooth stabilization, which honestly feels like you're using a professional gimbal even when you're not. Perfect for capturing smooth footage when you're running, biking, or hanging out in an off-road vehicle. It also has voice control, so you can start recording hands-free while you're mid-adventure, which is super clutch when you're wearing gloves or holding onto gear. And it even has a front-facing screen that's awesome for framing up selfies, vlog-style videos, or just making sure your shot is lined up perfectly when you're in front of the camera instead of behind it. Priced around $200, it's a bit cheaper than the flagship GoPros, but still delivers that signature GoPro magic that people rave about. It also has built-in horizon leveling, which keeps your shots perfectly straight, even if you're twisting, turning, or tackling crazy trails. Plus, it's waterproof up to 33 feet without a case, making it ideal for beach trips, snorkeling adventures, or rainy day hikes. The battery life is solid, and with the fast charging feature, you're back in action super quick. Whether you're hiking through remote mountains, ziplining over forests, kayaking down wild rivers, or just exploring new cities, this camera is ready to capture every moment beautifully. It's rugged, reliable, versatile, and super user-friendly. A total must-have for any serious traveler, adventurer, or content creator looking for professional quality footage without breaking the bank. And finally, snagging the #1 spot is the Akaso Brave 8 Lite, the best overall budget action camera, no contest. This bad boy is seriously impressive, giving you stunning 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, which is a huge upgrade for super smooth, cinematic footage that looks like it belongs on the big screen. The stabilization has had a major upgrade too, making it perfect for everything from extreme sports to just chasing your dog around the park. It handles bumps, drops, and fast motion incredibly well, keeping everything sharp and stable, even when the action gets wild. On top of that, the new sleek design feels really premium in your hand. Nothing about this camera screams budget when you hold it. It's compact, lightweight, and the materials feel durable enough to handle real-world adventures without worrying about every little scratch. The touchscreen is super responsive and easy to navigate, even when your hands are wet or dirty, and the color accuracy is way better compared to older Akaso models, so your videos look way more natural, vibrant, and true to life. It even supports voice control for hands-free shooting and customizable settings, giving you pro-level flexibility in a simple, affordable package. Battery life is strong, giving you plenty of time to shoot a full day's worth of adventures without constant recharging, and it comes with fast charging, so you're never stuck waiting around when you could be filming. It's waterproof up to 33 feet without a case, making it perfect for everything from snorkeling trips to rainy day hikes. And the best part? It's priced at just around $170. Seriously, with the quality, durability, and feature set you're getting for that price, it's a complete no-brainer. If you're looking for an affordable action camera that can literally do it all, vlogging, traveling, extreme sports, family outings, pet videos, and even short films, the Brave 8 Lite is absolutely the one you'll want by your side. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to capture life's best memories with pro-level quality without breaking the bank.